We have a new fish and hamster. Let's go. No. I am the one. Hawak hawak. You have a new friend. Thunderstorm. Tagal naman. You have a new friend, Thunderstorm. I'm the one getting it. Excuse us. Hello. You got a friend. What the heck? Yeah, there you go. A new friend. Oh, it's cute. Oh, that one's much bigger. Those two's much smaller. We need a bigger cage. Those three aren't gonna fit. They're gonna bite each other. Smiling hit. I'm gonna kiss them. Okay, now for the fish. Give me. Two big fish. Start that with that one.
Sabihan mo muna kay mama.
Hindi, na-climatize ko na.
Lang ganun.
You film me. Oh, goodness gracious. You film! You almost cut his face off!
No, sorry.
Okay, with the koi. The Tancho Sanki rare one. That's a rare one.
But it's big. I cannot.
No, do not cut it. You film. I'm the one.
Okay, fine.
Oh, come on. Na-climatize na namin ito. You film. Ay, wag.
Check ito.
Hawakan mo ito, oh.
Bye!
Okay, that's it.
Tanggalan mo yung
It's time
for the big one.
The new big
legend.
one.
Ako na, kuya.
Hindi, ako na. Get a good one. Get a good of this.
Give me now. Give me. I know it. Give me. Get out. Hawak this.
Okay.
Mama.
This guy is new, the koi.
Doon, hindi sila kasha.
Kailangan na natin yung malaking Look at him. He's finally freedom.
He's hungry. Oh, no.
This guy has freedom.
Wow. Wow. What is he doing?
These three are cute. These
Scared.
three
He's
are
scared.
cute.
He's scared. He's following
Hey,
the block.
please do not eat the snail.